Now I am going to dictate a current topic based on Republic Day 2025 at the rate of 100 words per minute. Let's start. India's Independence Day, celebrated annually on the 15th of August, is a solemn and joyous occasion that marks the end of colonial rule and the birth of a free nation. On this day, in 1947, India emerged from nearly 2 centuries of British domination to become an independent sovereign state. The year 2025 commemorates the 78th anniversary of this historic milestone, offering citizens an opportunity to reflect on the sacrifices of the freedom fighters, the progress made since independence, and the challenges that lie ahead. The significance of Independence Day lies not only in the remembrance of past struggles but also in the reaffirmation of national unity, democratic values, and collective aspirations, as it is a day when the nation pauses to honor the courage, resilience, and vision of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and countless others who dedicated their lives to the cause of liberty. Their efforts culminated in the midnight of August 14 to 15, 1947, when India's tryst with destiny was fulfilled and the Union Jack was lowered for the last time. In 2025, Independence Day celebrations were held with great enthusiasm across the length and breadth of the country. The central ceremony took place at the Red Fort in New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India hoisted the national flag and addressed the nation. The speech highlighted key achievements in governance, economy, infrastructure, and social welfare, while also acknowledging the need for continued vigilance against divisive forces and external threats. The Prime Minister paid tribute to the martyrs of the freedom movement and the armed forces who safeguard the nation's sovereignty. The Red Fort ceremony was attended by dignitaries, defense personnel, school children, and invited guests. The event began with the unfurling of the tricolor, accompanied by the national anthem and a 21-gun salute. This was followed by a guard of honor presented by the three wings of the armed forces. Cultural performances by children showcased the rich heritage of India with dances, songs, and skits representing various states and traditions. The theme for Independence Day 2025 was Viksit Bharat, Ek Bharat, emphasizing the vision of a developed, united, and inclusive India. Security arrangements were tight with multi-agency coordination to ensure the safety of attendees and the smooth conduct of events. Surveillance drones, facial recognition systems, and anti-sabotage checks were deployed across sensitive zones. The Delhi police, in collaboration with parliamentary forces and intelligence agencies, maintained a high level of alertness. Traffic advisories and public transport facilitation ensured minimal disruption to daily life while allowing citizens to participate in the celebrations. Across the country, state capitals, district headquarters, and village panchayats organized flag hoisting ceremonies, parades, and cultural programs. Schools and colleges held easy competitions, debates, and exhibitions on the freedom movement and national development. Citizens adorned their homes and workplaces with flags, banners, and patriotic symbols. Social media platforms were flooded with tributes, creative posts, and messages of unity. Hashtags such as Independence Day 2025, India at 78, and Freedom Forever trended throughout the day. Where in a notable initiative, the Ministry of Culture launched a nationwide campaign titled Azadi Ka Sanglap, encouraging citizens to take pledges for nation building. This included commitments to environmental conservation, civic responsibility, digital literacy, and social harmony. The campaign aimed to transform symbolic celebration into actionable patriotism, thereby deepening the democratic ethos of the Republic. The President of India, in his customary address to the nation on the eve of Independence Day, reflected on the journey of the Republic and the responsibilities of its citizens. He emphasized the importance of constitutional values, inclusive growth, and global cooperation. The President also acknowledged the contribution of farmers, workers, scientists, teachers, and entrepreneurs in shaping modern India. His speech served as a moral compass, reminding the nation of its duties and aspirations. Independence Day 2025 also witnessed tributes to unsung heroes of the freedom movement. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting released documentaries and publications highlighting regional struggles, tribal residents, and women's participation in the fight for independence. Stories of revolutionaries like Birsa Munda, Rani Gaidinlu, Matungani Hazra, and Khudiram Bose were brought to the forefront, enriching the national narrative and fostering historical awareness. The judiciary marked the occasion with seminars and lectures on constitutional development and the role of law in preserving liberty. The Supreme Court and various high courts hosted events discussing landmark judgments, legal reforms, and the evolution of rights. Jurisprudence, legal scholars, judges, and students engaged in meaningful dialogue on the intersection of law, democracy, and social justice. In the economic domain, Independence Day 2025 was an occasion to assess India's progress in becoming a global powerhouse. The government released data on GDP growth, employment generation, infrastructure expansion, and digital transformation. Initiatives such as Digital India, Startup India, and Skill India were showcased as pillars of national development. The emphasis was on inclusive growth, rural development, and sustainable innovation. Environmental consciousness was also a key theme. Green independence drives were organized across cities and villages, involving tree plantation, river cleaning, and awareness campaigns. Citizens were encouraged to adopt eco-friendly practices, reduce carbon footprints, and contribute to climate resilience. The message was clear: freedom must be exercised responsibly with care for future generations and the planet. Media coverage of Independence Day 2025 was extensive and diverse. Television channels aired special programs, interviews with freedom fighters, descendants, and panel discussions on national issues. Newspapers published editorials, historical retrospectives, and citizen stories. Digital platforms hosted interactive quizzes, virtual museum tours, and creative contests. The collective media effort helped deepen public engagement and foster a sense of shared identity. As India enters its 78th year of independence, the occasion serves as a reminder of the sacrifices that won freedom and the responsibilities that sustain it. Independence is not merely the absence of foreign rule, but the presence of justice, equality, and opportunity. It is a continuous journey of self-improvement, nation building, and global contribution. Para. In conclusion, Independence Day 2025 was a celebration of India's past, present, and future. It honored the legacy of freedom fighters, celebrated the achievements of a vibrant democracy, and inspired citizens to work towards a more just and prosperous society. The fluttering tricolor, the echoes of patriotic songs, and the collective spirit of unity reaffirmed the enduring promise of India, a nation free, proud, and determined to shape its destiny. Stop. Thank you.